It is 12:24 on this Wednesday afternoon. Thick clouds continue to blanket the valley. We did see a little bit of a brightening, but really not much sunshine this afternoon, and these clouds are only going to get thicker as the day goes on. So the cooler weather has arrived, courtesy of that weak cold front that moved through earlier this morning. Right now, temperature readings in the upper 50s in Rio Grande City, mid to lower 60s across the rest of the valley, with the exception of the coast and near Brownsville, where it's currently right around 67 or 66 degrees there. But those winds, they are out of the north and northeast, and it really makes a difference in how everything feels. In addition to that cooler, drier air moving here at the surface, it does drop our dew point values into the upper 40s, so we have a lot of dry air here. It's just in the upper levels of the atmosphere where the moisture lingers, and that's why we have that cloud cover. But these winds will definitely make it feel chilly to your skin this afternoon, and it looks like the rest of your day planner forecast will warm up a little bit more, but it's still going to feel cool. We'll be right around 67 for your daytime high, dropping to the upper 50s by 9 o'clock tonight. Overnight lows will bottom out right around the mid 50s. But notice that as we look at your rain chances over the next few days, they start to go up a little bit. Tomorrow night we'll start to see a few showers. By Friday, a little bit more light rain across the valley, and then by early Saturday I think a lot of it will have moved out, but we could still have maybe a small shower in the lower Rio Grande Valley to deal with. So when we look at the satellite and radar composite, you really see the front situated to our south. Zooming out a little bit farther, and there's a lot of messy weather over along the Pacific Northwest. Continued heavy rain over north and central California, and as that rain moves inland over the Cascades, they're going to get a lot of heavy snow, and that'll actually move into the Rockies, and they're also experiencing some more snow over the central high plains over the next couple of days. And then another system will move, actually colder air is going to move over the Great Lakes, and there's going to be some lake effect snow, a lot of it that'll be in the news over the next couple of days. But back here in Texas, we're just going to deal with this cool weather today, and then by tomorrow what you'll notice is that it's not too bad out there. It may be a little cool when you wake up. This is tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and as the day goes on, it will get a little bit warmer. I'm not talking about really balmy or anything. I'm talking maybe the mid to upper 70s. But here comes the next cold front. It'll be barreling through Texas, and it'll definitely bring some potential wintry mix to even near the Houston area. But as it gets closer to deep South Texas, I'm talking about the valley, here's what it'll do. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer here. We start the clock going into from 9 o'clock Thursday night, going into 1 o'clock in the morning. You start to see that little bit of green there pop up, and those are those light rain showers I'm telling you about. This next cold front is going to blow by early in the morning Friday, and you're going to notice it. It's going to be a substantial difference. We'll wake up with temperatures in the 50s, in the upper 50s, but temperatures will fall all day long because of the windy conditions out there from the north, bringing in all that colder air. And in fact, by the night, we're looking at upper 30s for your lows. So we do have some very cold weather to tell you about. Let me show you your 7-day forecast here. We'll go to 75 tomorrow, and then 58 and falling through the day. Talking upper 40s, low 50s by 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. Dropping to 38 that night, 52 and 58 over the weekend, but your overnight lows stay downright chilly. Look at that. 38 degrees there for Saturday night, 49 for Sunday night. It's not until early next week where we start to warm up, so enjoy this nice little cool down that'll last a few days. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Dina, back to you.